cardamom, a spice so exotic and fragrant that it has long found its way from ancient fields into our modern kitchens. But did you know that beyond its delightful aroma and unique taste, cardamom is a powerhouse of health benefits? Let's dive into the world of this miraculous spice. Cardamom, often referred to as the queen of spices, boasts a history as rich and colourful as its flavour. Originating from the wild forests of the Western Ghats in India, this spice has been cherished for more than 1,000 years in various cultures for its medicinal properties. Now, you might be asking, what are these health benefits? For starters, cardamom is incredibly beneficial for our digestive system. It's known to combat nausea, prevent stomach pain, and even aid in digestion. So next time you have a heavy meal, consider a warm cup of cardamom tea to soothe your stomach. But that's not all. Cardamom is a natural anti-inflammatory agent. This means it helps reduce inflammation and pain, making it a fantastic natural remedy for those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Moving on to heart health, cardamom is also a friend to our cardiovascular system. It helps lower blood pressure and contains antioxidants that protect the heart. Regular consumption of this spice can significantly improve your heart health and prevent various cardiovascular diseases. Let's not overlook the oral health benefits of cardamom. It's a natural antibacterial that helps fight dental bacteria and treats bad breath. So chewing a few seeds after your meal isn't just about freshening your breath. It's about keeping your mouth healthy too. And if you're someone who values mental clarity and a calm mind, cardamom might just become your new best friend. It's known to help with depression and anxiety, and its invigorating scent can uplift your mood instantly. Just a sniff or a sip of cardamom-infused tea can make a significant difference to your day. In conclusion, cardamom is not just a spice that adds a dash of flavour to your dishes. It's a versatile, health-boosting marvel that you can easily incorporate into your daily regimen. Whether it's in your morning tea, your cooking, or even as an essential oil, cardamom is an excellent addition to your wellness toolkit. So, next time you pass by the spice aisle, don't hesitate to pick up some cardamom. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Until next time, keep exploring the colourful world of spices and their hidden health benefits.